Hello everyone, this is Shubham from Gossip Funda and today I am going to elaborate or rather teach you a topic about how to recover datas and files from a corrupted zip file. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let us first know what is a zip file is. Well, zip is an archive file format that supports lossless data compression. A zip file may contain one or more files or directories that may have been compressed. A zip or a compressed file takes up less storage as compared to an unzipped file and can be transferred to another computer more quickly. Many of time you have seen this popped up message. What is it then compressed file about this? So as what may be the most common and convenient way to store and send multiple files, the zip file format is used by essentially everyone online. That being the case, there is a good chance that you eventually come across one of that has been corrupted, and not least because only a single corrupt bit in one file out of dozens inside the zip to prevent your file archiver from opening or extracting its content. Corrupt files can result from a variety of issues, including bad drive sectors, malware, and incomplete download or transfer, such as during a drop in your connection or any other sudden interruption, like a power failure or an improper shutdown. While working with a zip file, a corrupt zip file may open only for you anyway, but some of the original files might be missing, and the attempting to open doors damage files that typically causes Windows to prompt with the following error known as the compressed folder is invalid. Now let's look at the properties and tools through which we can extract the data and files from the corrupted zip file. Well, the first one is WinRAR. For this, I have an example of a notepad, and the rate of success of recovering anything from an archive will vary upon the tool and the content we use. Starting with this software, this provides a built-in repair tool for damaged zip file. Simply open the image file and then go to the tool section and go to the repair archive. It's so simple. WinRAR managed to recover 7 out of 9 files that our damaged archive had. However, the software is only free for 14 days, after which a license to continue using the software will cost near about 500 rupees. WinZip and 7zip don't seem to have an integrated repair tool, but the companies do offer the good information pages about the corrupt zip file. Well, to the instinct, there are more files as well, such as the disk internal zip repair free file to download, and it is managed to recover 8 out of 9 original files that is dedicated to repair file zips that was less clutter to navigate than WinRAR, and it launches with a wizard style prompt. Instead you have to go through many menus at once, and yes, it's free. The second one is Zip to Fix, tied for the first place recommendation for an interface that has even less clicks and that is involved than the disk internals. The third one is Data Newman Active Repair, formerly known as Advanced Archive Repair, and it is claimed to have a recovered of 8 out of 9 files with 100% accuracy. But again, the freeware version doesn't provide the access to the files. Instead, you're locked behind within like 1000 rupees license fee for the new data repair, like zip repair file. And the last one but not the least one is IC Password. The green interface looks good, and this comes to mind as a utility we have tested previously for like recovering Windows password, and for about asking money of $30. The company that offers a tool that supports Archive Office as well as many other file types. Do check these ones. So that were some of my tips and tricks, like how to recover a zip file folder that has been corrupted, basically how to extract them and use it normally. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Do like, comment and share it to your friends, and subscribe to Gossip Funda for these further technical updates. Do check our blog page too, that is www.gossipfunda.com. Don't forget to put on your queries in the comment section, and I've also added a link in the description area for the other videos. Do check that. Stay happy, stay safe, get vaccinated. Meet you in my next video, and yes, do subscribe to Gossip Funda. Goodbye.